to the Tab Buddy. If you are looking for the tech jobs in 2026, then this video will be the game changer for you. Apple has recently posted multiple openings across the different domains. And today in this video, I will show you exactly how they are hiring, what skills you need, and where to apply. Number one, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Apple is actively hiring for the machine learning engineers, AI engineers, applied AI engineers, and these roles are focused on the Apple Intelligence, LLMs, multimodal AI. Number second, NLP and speech technology. If you're interested in large language model, natural programming processing, Siri technology, and speech technology, then Apple is dedicatedly hiring in this area. Number three is software engineering. In this, the role includes Python full stack engineer, backend engineer, and software development position. Number four is data science and machine learning infrastructure. Apple is actively hiring for the professional who can work with the large scale data system, model evolutions, and AI infrastructure. And finally, hardware engineering. Apple is also looking for the engineers working on the sensor, deep learning system, firewalls, and hardware technology. So these are the great opportunities. So go apply now. Check out my description for link. And also hit the subscribe button if you want the regular updates on the hiring, jobs, internships, free courses, free certifications, and AI tools.